Former Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and Rajya Sabha MP Sanajauba Leishemba returned from New Delhi after meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The two leaders rushed to New Delhi on June 9 after a fresh flare of tension in Valley districts. Speaking to media persons upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport, and Biren informed that Union Home Minister has appealed for peace and also gave assurance to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur. While elaborating about his meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and Biren said the Union Home Minister was apprised about the fresh tension about pending resettlement and rehabilitation of internally displaced persons and on free movement of people. He said the Union Home Minister also informed that he is taking up steps to engage in talk with all stakeholders. And Biren further urged MLAs, CSO leaders, student leaders and people to work collectively in restoration of peace in the state without resorting to violence.
Union Home Minister na Tawresi Santi aduga tawbayaba Manipur gi soktanaba makhalama da Manipur gi apunbagi satam soktanaba leiriba indigenous population sing leminariba jati punamasi amata soktanaba gi lambi do fazana tawrakane aduni haringe santi maintain tawnaba haiduna appeal tawrai leiriba civil society mayam punama adigi honorable elected members sing adigi ima IBM Sansthan Naharor punamak leader to once for all Manipur ki solution dama the hongna bi kongjam du koi tanna hore aduna madu dei da praja mayamna yam santi leina violent yaudana yam democratic oiba mawonga koi sangjam minasi hanba leitana bhasa ka gi firepi am clear ni Manipur ki hairiba pose anu yam amat kai han de da Manipur ki ari mat sohor loi habi assurance zonai koi da people ana de so biro gele